What's good, Power Nation? This your boy TrulyBandz, and this is my firework stash. I'm doing it in the kitchen, man, because I don't have any space in my living room to do the packing, all that good, good jazz. Well, from the start, small, man, and we're gonna work our way up to the heavy hitters. Have one pack of black hats, bottle rockets, if it will focus. If not, that's cool. Have 3 mumble crackers left. 5 crazy robots. Sound colorful birds. I'm not gonna open that pack. You can't find these. These are hard to find, bro. So I'm probably just gonna collect these. A pack of make your hands clap. 2 packs of happy ending. A box of thunder crackers. 2 boxes of clown shells. 2 boxes of minions. Pack of 007s. A box of night wings. 6 quiet fountains. A box of these. God of Fire. A box of Double Trouble. 1 of these. Don't Stop Believing. 1 of these. Stugots. Well, Stugots. 1 of these. Can't wait to light this, man. I have 2 shells left from last year. Night wings. Got some 3-inch coconuts. Got some 4s on the way. Got some more 3s on the way. But that's another video. I have a lot of Whiplash. 3 blackjacks. 1 heavy bomber. 2, the good ones. Skylighting, not Skylaughter. If you know, you know. 2 packs of Welcome to the Jungle. 2 packs of Welcome to the Sky. 2 packs of multiple rockets. And only 3 left for the Ring of Fire rockets. Let's get to the big boys. If you know, you know. That orange cake. Yeah, you know, you know. You know, you know. You know, you know. And last, got 4 of these in total so far. Well, I actually got 9. 5 haven't made it here yet. But that's another video. This is just my small stash so far. Waiting on my big stash. Want to give a special shout out to my brother, man. Real G's the one. Appreciate you, bro. Today is April 10th, guys. It's my birthday. I just got back real late, so was gonna do a demo or something. But I'm kind of tired, man. Need to get some sleep. Alright, guys. Catch you on the next one. Don't laugh at my stash, man. It's only little right now.